Dark chocolate mix 510 gram. 3 eggs room temperature. Vegetable oil a third cup. Lukewarm water 275 milliliters. Whisk until combined. Pour batter into the lined pan. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 45 minutes. Then, let cool completely. Milk 2 cups. Sugar a third cup. Cocoa powder 3 tablespoons. Butter 1 tablespoon. Mix well, bring it to boil and set aside. On medium heat, add condensed milk 390 gram. Cocoa powder 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Butter 1 tablespoon. Dark chocolate 100 gram. Thick cream 150 gram. Cook until it thickens and let it cool completely and refrigerate for 2 hours. Remove the cake from the tin and slice into 2 layers. Pour the prepared chocolate milk all over the slice. Spread half of the prepared Brigadiero ganache. Repeat the process. Finish with some chocolate sprinkles on top. Enjoy!